Hello, everyone. My name is Arini Mahadani. I'm Educational Psychology Program in School of Postgraduates Indonesia University of Education, Bandung, Indonesia. Thank you for the chance to present my research. And my paper title is about exploring Indonesian teachers' meaning on wisdom in educational practices. Wisdom is seen as something that needs to be owned by individuals and is very important for every teacher. Teaching activities have involved many aspects and influence many important factors from students. Here are the content of the presentation. First is introduction, research focus, research method, research and discussion, conclusion, and the last is about references. The first one, I would like to talk about the introduction of this research. As we know, profession as a teacher has a unique challenge compared to other jobs. Every day, teachers need to act appropriately and quickly with students with different characteristics. Teachers are expected to know every subject, solve the problem, motivate students, manage classroom, assess student knowledge, convey ideas effectively, take into account student characteristics, and provide value for learning outcomes. Therefore, teachers are expected to show the right attitude and in accordance with every situation and condition of all parties involved in education, especially students who are being educated. This attitude is a form of wisdom. This known from Lunarberg and Cortagen, 2009. Research shows that the activities undertaken by teachers affect student achievement. Even the ability and supporting facilities can affect student learning motivation. This shows the role of the teacher, which can affect both student achievement and positive or negative behavior that appears in students. Wisdom can help teachers in carrying out their role to determine the right attitude in the situation at hand. This is in line with the opinion of Webster 2007, which states that wisdom is believed to help individuals in choosing solutions to their problems. Another challenge is the process of educating students with different generations. The teacher faces dynamic learning situation. As with the current condition, where teachers are faced with a pandemic situation that requires learning to be carried out remotely or online. Change in this condition certainly require teachers to be able to adapt to the educational conditions they are currently facing or other possibilities. This adaptability can be supported by the wisdom of the teacher. Wisdom is the concern of several researchers, including Lunarberg and Cartagen 2009, who conducts research on the practice of wisdom in teaching and education. The result of his research showed that to practice wisdom, a teacher needs theoretical understanding and experiencing associated with the theory. Experience make the practice of wisdom by the teacher better. That's why this research will be important for teachers to practice wisdom in their daily lives. Perfect practice is obtained with the right meaning. Therefore, it's necessary to explore how the teacher interprets wisdom in the educational practice. This is the research focus. The main focus of this research is the study aims to explore the meaning of teachers about wisdom in educational practice. And for the research, we use the qualitative method with a grounded theory design. The selection of this method aims to produce or find an analytic theory or scheme about the topic raised in the research. This method was chosen with the assumption as a method that can reveal the right result from the exploration of the teacher's meaning of the given topic. The participants are 3 teachers from elementary school, junior high school, and senior high school with different background. The interview process was carried out via telephone, due to limited condition to the quarantine condition of the COVID-19 virus. So any activity needs to be carried out in a social distancing condition. The interview process was recorded with the permission of the respondent. Descriptive narrative is used to record what the respondent says by using a voice recording. Data processing is based on what the respondent said. The interview is using a semi-structured interview to collect data. The data collected from semi-structured interview and analyzed with using coding system from open coding to Excel coding. So we have the data and we analyze with the coding system. Here we go to the result and discussion. The rest of the result in this discussion, in this research, the result of this study focus on the teacher's meaning of wisdom. The teacher's interpretation of wisdom leads to 2 things, namely the ability to understand the problem and how to determine the right attitude to the problem at hand. The first respondent was quite confused in recognizing wisdom because he was more familiar with local wisdom process. So that the opinions expressed mostly led to self-adjustment with environmental conditions. However, first respondents are more focused on interpreting wisdom by placing words, behavior, and attitudes according to existing conditions. The second respondent believes that wisdom is more interpreted as a choice of forms of behavior in accordance with existing regulation. There is a similarity of opinion between the first and second respondent, namely about the adjustment of attitude, but what is slightly different in the direction of the adjustment. First respondent refer to environmental demand even without considering the environmental demand according to the applicable regulation or not. The second respondent focused on choosing the right attitude to the demands of the existing regulation. The third respondent is somewhat different in interpreting wisdom with the first and second respondents. These respondents gave more meaning to the individual's ability to understand the situation and condition faced and understand the background of an accident. Furthermore, respondents think that we need to think not only for our own interest, but also for the benefit of others. However, further understanding this latter as a process to determine the right attitude to be faced. Based on the opinions of the two respondents, it can be seen that the similarities and the differences in the meaning of wisdom in educational practice. The equation is in the process of determining the right attitude in dealing with the problem found. This is aligned with the opinion of Takashi and Overton 2002 that wisdom is understood as an expression of integrated function of several psychological processes in a particular context. The differences highlight the object of attitudes and understanding conditions that are expected in advance. Meaning that appear in individual to certain process experiences by the individual. According to Sternberg, the core element of wisdom is practical intelligence, which is behavior-oriented and help individuals achieve personal goals. This practical intelligence can only be obtained through real experiences experienced directly by individuals, not from knowledge read from books or the experiences of other people they hear. The research found a slight difference in the reason for the background of the emergence of meaning in individuals. Based on the three respondents, the background of the meaning is influenced by the ethnic background, culture, gender, religion, and educational background. The three respondents admitted that the meaning of wisdom in their educational practice is influenced by their ethnic and cultural background. The three respondents admitted that the philosophy of religionism influenced their opinions and decisions in implementing and interpreting wisdom. The ethos and cultural philosophy that is obtained becomes the reason in the process of understanding the situation and making decisions. This ethnic and cultural background also influenced the attitude response given to him. For example, respondents who came from the Medan area who when speaking were considered to involve angry emotion. The second is gender identity. Gender identity turned out to influence the meaning and practice of wisdom in educational practice. Teachers with female gender are considered more capable of approaching children emotionally than male teachers. In addition, male teachers are used to getting additional assignments, especially those related to physical abilities. That is religious belief. Religious belief is one of the reasons for shaping meanings and decisions. Many teachers have the right and wrong values which are influenced by their religious understanding. Many decisions and understanding of the problems they face are based on religious judgment. In addition, many educational practices are influenced by terms that come from religions that are believed to be. These terms are used in the educational processes and the process of communicating with students in the context of the lesson or beyond. The last is educational background. Educational background effect has speaking ability and perspective. Teachers who have received an educator from are easier to adapt in carrying out their roles and obligation. In addition, teachers and college lecturers who have taught the teacher previously also influence how the teacher behaves in implementing educational practice. Last, we go to the conclusion of this research. Based on the result of the study, the teacher's interpretation of wisdom in educational practice can be concluded as the teacher's ability to understand the existing situation and condition to decide the right attitude in dealing with existing problems. The meaning process is influenced by various things, especially the social background of the individual. In this case, the background, the image, the research are ethnicity, gender identity, religious belief, and educational background. And last, here are the references that used for this research. And thank you for the attention.